How to fix Pop Mart app not working. Here's what you want to do. Go into your phone's settings, and right here you just want to search for storage. Search for storage and click on iPhone storage. Now from the list of applications you just want to find Pop Mart. Click on size here and you can sort it by name. So here it's going to be in alphabetical order. You just want to go through the applications, find P, and you will see Pop Mart. Click on the app itself and you want to click offload app. And after you have offloaded the application, you just click on reinstall. This is going to verify the integrity of the files. And if your Pop Mart app isn't working, this should fix it. If it still doesn't work, then what you can do is press the delete button at the bottom here with red, or that's written in red. And you can go to the App Store and search for Pop Mart and reinstall the app. If again it doesn't work, then the last thing that you can do is try restarting your phone. Simply press and hold the power button and then you will restart your mobile phone. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.